Today, I bring to you an easy way to make hair and grass, and it is with the use of brushes. Say we have a mesh like this one, and we subdivide it with the subsurface modifier. The normal way we usually take in making hair is by the use of particle systems. We go to the system menu and hit the plus icon for a new one, then switch it to hair type. After that, you only need to assign the number and the hair length. You can also turn on the advanced settings to play with the Brownian value and get randomized hair on the object. Easy, right? But it's kinda heavy on normal machines, so run this on a big scale and Blender might crash. Now, another way to get somehow similar result, but much lighter on your machine, is with the use of sculpting. So switch to sculpt mode, then on the left bar, look for the mesh filter. Turn the filter type to random and just press and drag with the left button like shown. You can repeat the brush move to add more randomness each time you move it from left to right. We can after that go back to object mode, add a wireframe modifier to the mesh, turn off the even option in the modifier if you have any weird jumps in the shape, and tune down the thickness value to get the hair looking on the object. Let's add some colors to those two objects, and let me turn off the emitter in the particle system. And from a distance, they kinda have the same look. And I know that particle system still gives you a better result, but look at how easy it's to move the sculpt hair comparing to the particle one, and this is but a one small object. So next time you have a background area that needs some faraway grass from the camera, try the sculpting method. It can give you a decent result with no time, and it's hella lighter on your device. And that's it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and see you guys next time. Until then, stay sharp. Goodbye.